What's up, everybody? kjtorris doing a one-box division break 2014 Leaf Autograph Mini Helmet. Today's date, January 23rd, 2015. Again, I'm only here because of every single one of you guys in this room. I appreciate it. Thank you. Here we go. We're going to open it up first, and then we're going to do the randomizer. Wait a minute. You guys want the drop box now? Seriously? They want the other one. Okay. You should go with the one that you like first. All right. We switched it up. We're going with the drop pass. Good luck. Unless it sucks and you want the other one. Of course. We just hope it's not another lemon. As long as it's not a lemon, we're good. All right. Who's that? Hall of Fame. It's definitely a Hall of Famer. He's a Cardinal. It's the throwback. Where's the card? Come on, card. That is Jackie Smith. Jackie Smith. If I can get the card to show. Put that back in and seal back up. It's a Jackie Smith. Hall of Fame 1994. Drop it again. Maybe it'll change to something better. Oh, we should have stuck with the other one. Okay, Jackie Smith. Throwback action. Sweet. Boo!